What's up guys, Ed here back with another video, and today I'm going to show you something that is unlike anything I have seen before. Now remember the days when you had cables flying everywhere, the cables that were all over the place like this one. So I went on a search on Amazon and I found this guy right here. Look at this. Chafon, greeting you warmly with a wish that is sincere for a happy, and a wonderful day. Well, I appreciate that. Now, I ran into this thing on Amazon, and this cable is unlike anything I have ever seen before. You see all these nice little flat, no tangle cables coming out. And you know what this means? This means that you can literally get rid of all this crap. Now honestly, if given the choice, which one would you go for? I'm sure a lot of you would say not this. Regular USB. This will go into your power source for charging or syncing from your laptop. Then check this out. Micro USB, second micro USB, mini USB, lightning, type C. Wow! No matter what gadget you use, as long as it's relevantly modern, this cable right here is going to do what you want it to do. As always, thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed, leave a like and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.